Here we go. The noise campaign. So welcome to another video of the Targeted Individual Program, Targeted Individual Experience. So, woke up this morning to the New York Predator Department again hijacking my consciousness. The rape of my mind is a daily, continuous thing that they do every single day. Okay? They're a bunch of criminals masquerading as law enforcement officers. Right? They're a bunch of religious fanatics who have positioned themselves in authoritative position in order to subjugate, to suppress, to oppress, to brutalize, murder, frame, deal drugs, engage in pedophilia, engage in sexual assault, and have been exerting their power within the communities in which black people live for decades. And the sad part about it is that they have other black people, I call them Negropeans, these Christian fanatics, these cult members who are engaging in such behaviors. Okay? And they have turned a large portion of the black community, particularly black women, into alternative sexual lifestyles, into gatekeepers of white supremacy, right? Drug addicts, and creating designer drugs with other groups of people to dumb the vast majority of black people down. All right? And here's the sad thing. The very same people that they dumbed down, and there's a reason why they dumbed them down. Right? There's a reason why they dumbed them down. Because when you dumb down the people, you can get them to participate in even their own destruction to the point where when it becomes so obvious to anybody that has some sort of good sense, they don't even know it. And that's the sad part. Okay? So don't let them fool you. As the Honorable Robert Nesta Marley says, don't let them fool you or even try to screw you. Because that's what they've been doing within the black community or communities in which black people live. And black men and black women have been the victim of their psychotic agenda against our people. And I call it a psychotic agenda because that is when I say they, I'm talking about the white racists. That is their attitude towards black people, is one of a psychotic nature, one of a predatory nature. All right? And the only how you can understand this is just study the past 500 to 600 years for you to truly understand why. And though it goes back further than that, but just start with the past 500-600 years. Okay? Once you study that, then you can go back further and see how the mindset was created. And through religion is when they truly start to enact such attitude towards and belief towards black people. African people, I should say. All right? Anyhow, talk to you guys in the next video.